What's up YouTube, back again with another quick video today, and this one is just a quick review of this product I purchased for the Sony A7rii. It's the battery grip. Now for the A7ii I do like to have it without the grip on, but there is occasions where I know, probably at a wedding or something where I would need that extra power and I don't want to have the hassle of changing batteries all the time, and I didn't want to pay the expense of one of the Sony grips. So this product, I had a look on Amazon, found this one, good price once again. Link will be in the description if you want to buy one of these yourself. And we'll just show you what's in the box. Nice bit of cardboard, everybody loves cardboard. Simple user manual, it's not hard to do. I'm going to show you how to connect it anyway. The product itself is here. Now, some people will say they don't work as well as the originals, which is, in my opinion, a lot of you know what. This one, it was less than £50, and the quality of the plastic is rather good. It's got all your functions that the original battery grip would have for your vertical shutter release, etc, etc. Yeah, everything's there as you would need it. It's made by Neewer, and yeah, it's definitely a win. I don't really like to use grips all the time, but I thought if I purchased the Sony one, it's going to cost me a lot of money for something that's going to be sat on a shelf or in a camera bag not being used. So I thought, well, yeah, less than £50. When I do need one, this one was a definite win. So yeah, if you haven't ever used one, it's super simple to affix one of these to your camera. All you do, pop the lid on your camera, as you can see there if it focuses, and then on the inside here there's just a little catch there. Can we see it in the light there? There's a little catch that it tells you which way to turn it, and it just pops off just like that. It's nice and simple. How easy was that? And then it's just a case of inserting, screwing into place, and we're done. And that gives you a super firm grip, as you'd expect with using a battery grip. And plus you can put your two batteries in. We've got one in at the moment, so two batteries in, and gives you twice the length or twice the shooting time as just using your individual battery in there. It does make the camera a little, for me, I've got quite big hands, so it makes it a lot easier for me to grip the camera. It feels nice. As you can see there, it blends in nice and well with the Sony colours. It's got that speckled effect on the bare plastic here, just like the Sony camera has. And then we've got some sort of gripping to try and marry up to the same gripping on the Sony camera itself. But yeah, it's a definite win, really is. Like I said, I do like to save money when I can. There's no reason for me to spend, I don't know how much the Sony one is, but there's no reason for me to go out and pay crazy amounts of money for something I can get for a fraction of the price. That does the job just as well, and plus I won't be using it all the time. So we've got your two, as you can see there, we've got the two function buttons as well, your shutter release, your aperture and speed controls there, custom 3 button, your manual autofocus button there as well. So yeah, really good product for the price. Links in the description. Another Amazon win. We'll see you in the next video.